DIY mosquito spray. Turn vinegar into a mosquito-busting tool. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of battling those pesky mosquitoes that seem to invade every summer gathering, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective solution using something you likely already have in your kitchen. Vinegar. Yes, that's right. In this exciting DIY adventure, we'll turn vinegar into a powerful mosquito-repelling spray that will keep those irritating bugs at bay. And the best part? No harsh chemicals or toxic substances involved. Just good old-fashioned ingredients. Are you ready to take back your summer? Let's get started. Why vinegar? First off, let's talk about why vinegar is our superstar ingredient. Vinegar is known for its strong smell, which mosquitoes simply cannot stand. Whether you opt for white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, both work effectively to repel these pests. It's time to harness the power of vinegar and create a solution that's not only effective but also safe for the environment. What you'll need. Gather these simple ingredients to whip up your DIY mosquito spray. 1 cup of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar works best. 10 drops of essential oils. We recommend eucalyptus, citronella, or lavender oil, as these scents are particularly unappealing to mosquitoes. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. This helps the oils mix better with the vinegar and water. 1/2 cup of water. An empty spray bottle to store your creation. Let's make it. Now that you have everything ready, it's time to mix. Follow these steps for an easy, effective mosquito spray. Start with the vinegar. Grab your cup of vinegar. This is your powerhouse ingredient. Pour it into a mixing bowl. This strong-smelling liquid is what will help keep those mosquitoes at bay. Add essential oils. Next, it's time to introduce the essential oils. Eucalyptus, citronella, and lavender are all natural mosquito repellents, and their delightful scents will make your spray pleasant to use. Add about 10 drops of your chosen essential oil to the vinegar. Mix in witch hazel. Throw in 1 tablespoon of witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. This not only helps the oils blend, but also adds a bit of extra potency to your spray. Dilute with water. Finally, add 1/2 cup of water to the mixture. This will dilute the solution just enough to make it perfect for spraying. Bottle it up. Carefully pour the mixture into your empty spray bottle. Make sure to seal it tightly and give it a good shake to ensure everything is well combined. How to use your mosquito spray. And voila! You've just created an all-natural mosquito repellent spray that's both effective and easy to make. Now, how do you use it? Simply spray it on yourself before heading outdoors, or use it around your patio, windows, or any area where mosquitoes like to gather. The best part? This DIY spray is safe for kids, pets, and the environment. Final thoughts. Give this homemade mosquito spray a try, and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. We're always on the lookout for more awesome DIY solutions, so if you have any other mosquito repelling hacks, we'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.